mentakasni keladon kejengalang hapedeng ketenat pulai putih kejela mat kaseng Meghalaya Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan School Association kepala kli do Commissioner Secretary ketenat pulai putih kejela Vijay Kumar Menteri IAS hak jendalang Director of School Education and Literacy hak ne kejeng kendo mentakasni laitho bala penjelan ya kapor bagino hikai SSA kedangla ban register yala de hadu benai risau arhajar arpusan uba arus total rembai presiden ka MSSASA habakran hagilat thai khobor hadin gejalang letho bayamenta kino hikai SSA kinyo ekatulab nakmta ubnai nailor barisau kanlong kumba kijiyo
nakaliang jong i Commissioner Secretary jong ka Puli Putih sa Vijay Kumar Menteri ila khot ya ka meeting ka bayade ban share ya ka presentation ka action plan jong ka government ka bala penkre bayade bakini ki south ki agendas ka bangi nakaliang jong ka association ni labu hakmat jong ka sorka ka banongkong ka presentation kila share ka bayade bat ka report jong ka NOC ka ba nakaliang jong ka department kala yo kriang nakini ki SSA managed school owned by private ka reports ka bangila yo kalong kidon kumba aspa kendai po pratli kini ki SSA manage private school ki bala ai ya ka willingness jungki ban hand over ya ka management naka SSA saka government. That is point number 1. Kepada bat ke agenda number 2 kepada bat ke agenda wa jungi ka association ban pentrai kam ya ka pay structure nak benta ka tulop jong kino hika SSA isu komen ba nakaliang jong ka diesel kana pentip bakila de penkre hakabaya dei bat kani ka benta bat ka pasa menta ka long ba kinpa sopo ka finance department nak benta ban yo approval perhatian kata kin sapa saka kabinet banyo ya ka jingmenjur hakabay dei ban pentrekam no na ka pay skill na benta ki no hikai SSA kabalai ka dei kabay dei ban kani ka cabinet memorandum na ka benta gitu SSA school ki bala ay ka willingness jongki ban hand over ya ka management na ka SSA sya ka government tingin sukmen ba nakaliang jong i Commissioner and Secretary ila pentip ba kila de penkre ya kani ka cabinet memorandum batkin sa pha sya ka cabinet hadin jong kani ka assembly session kamud hadin jong September kin sa pha sya ka cabinet nak benta ban lo ya ka jingmenjur hakabay de ban shintino ya kini ki SSA school ibala ay ya ka willingness jong ki ban hand over ya ka management na ka SSA sya ka government. Kabasa palong hakabay day bat kini ki rationalization of SSA and government school. Te nakaliang jong Commissioner Secretary ila pentip ba kibabonhi ki district kila sedang ban pentray kam ya kani bat kibabonhi kinong hikay hakibabon ki district kila dep join sya kiway pat ki school kibaba ka enrollment kabon ya kaba nakaliang jong ki DSEO bat ki SDSEO kila deploy ki hagi ki school ki babon enrollment na ki school ki ba duna enrollment tinalor kini ngila ekran ro bat ki agenda hakabay day bat kini ki ban rationalize kini ki school within the same campus and building kay kabangi concern kadong hakabay day bat ka disburse transfer ya ka salary jong kino hikay SSA mo kung bapitip dada hakajo ka campus kidon kini ki deficit school ki ad hoc school bat ki SSA school dementa ka plan jong ka government ka long ban wanra no ye kini ki school hajo kamut kini ki school bang function at the same building tingi ngila raise the concern jong ni hakabay day bat ka disbursement of salary isukmen ba nakaliang jong Commissioner Secretary ila ayek usuran ba ka government can continue with the existing system ban pha hi ya katulog jong kino hikay SSA directly to their respective personal account wat lada ya kini ki school on March lang hajo kita kilong ki katto kani ki benta ki ba nilayo ban discuss akan meeting ba kita last week nilayo kani kendo yung director jong ka diesel dimentar ngin ya kren hi to benta ba nakaling jong ki nakaling jong Commissioner Secretary ila pentip ba nakaling jong department kala extend ya kapor na menta ban register hanto kamud hadu ubnai October Di kini kita August, September, Oktober katulok nginyo ay kumbajuyo kam de lang ba to ka apps dikin correct shwa ya paro itu ki error kumbangin penting hakini dikin desi di hadin bala de ban correct ya paro ki error kan sedang ban try kam to ka mixing ikren kumang mentan kagani ban merge ka single account no ya itu kan effect yang iki SSA whereas we'll order grant in each school that will be a different agenda. Kaya kabangi concern kalau yang iki SSE teachers nak kanyang jong commissioner secretary ila ay assuran ba kanong effect yang ini kan continue hi ban ha ya katulok jongi kumba kalau menta nako ka samagra shiksha abhiyan nako office jong samagra shiksha abhiyan direct shaka account jong